Hello class, I wanted to spend a few minutes today going over the syllabus. For the most part, you can read through all of the information that is detailed here about the course objectives and what we will be covering in class. As you can see, the list of assignments is here, and it will follow fairly closely with the syllabus. This is a fast and furious class. We only have 3 weeks to get through what we normally get through in 15. So be aware that you'll be expected to do something most every night. I don't have any specific due dates for most of the assignments, except for those that are going to be peer-reviewed. This is a work in progress, so please don't take this as set in stone, but so far there are some due dates listed over here, and you must be very aware of those. This schedule is listed here as the tentative course outline on the syllabus. I will also add it as a calendar on Moodle. One other thing you need to be aware of is a professional development assignment. You will be asked to attend or do 2 professional development activities. There are at least 3 options, and more might be added as the semester goes along. The first option is to watch a webinar from one of these 2 sites. On this first site, there are 8 different webinars. The longest is only about 30 minutes long. After you complete watching the webinar, you'll need to do the professional development documentation. That is a tab on Moodle. The next one, there are several different sites, but you'll need to register for this site in order to see the webinars. Most of them are pretty good, and they're done by Human Kinetics, which is the publisher for many of the textbooks that we use in exercise and sports science. Your next option will be going to an appointment with someone from Career Services. In this appointment, you can discuss whatever you need to, whether that be finding an internship or working on your resume or cover letter, or possibly even going to graduate school or doing an out-of-country internship. So you would need to set up an appointment and attend that before the end of the semester. The last option is you be a participant in a research study. Dr. Koliwa has a study going on right now that needs participants. In addition, a few other professors might need research participants as well, and I will let you know as those come available. This is very important that you do this and that you also complete the professional development documentation that will be right here. This is 2 on 1 sheet. You must attend or watch or do and answer at least one thing you learned and one question you had based on the webinar. I hope this helps to answer some questions that you might have about this class. Enjoy your time. Have a great day.